Knowledge ones are just about how the AI uses information. So if you haven't used RAG before or haven't implemented it, retrieval augmented generation is where you put a query into an AI system and it is going to retrieve some information and give it to the LLM so that the LLM can answer based upon relevant information. And here we have very similar metrics to like the conversation, such as the completeness of an answer. Like if a user asked 5 questions, did you answer all 5 of them? As well as like correctness, that was a correct answer, that was a relevant answer. And then these are more about the RAG system itself and whether you're retrieving results that are relevant, you're only retrieving oh, I had that backwards. You're only retrieving relevant results. Recall is you're retrieving as many of the relevant results as possible. Um, and yes, the relevancy of retrieved information to the query. This is like, are you only getting the like specific relevant information? So if you transition this to like an HR chat, you could definitely have like an an answer relevancy rate. So were the answers that were given by the HR bot relevant? You could also say, were they correct? If you have a low correctness rate, you have HR problems. And then completion rate, like, did people get successful answers? Were they pleased with the outcomes? Again, these are things you could pull from emails, you could track um, before you switched to an AI system. This is also something you could track for yourself if you cared about, producing those reports. Maybe you might say, how much positive praise did I get? Like, did someone say this report was excellent? And so on and so forth. So you can imagine tracking these things.